Imagine a gaming rig tailored perfectly to your needs, every part handpicked for peak performance and style. Building a custom gaming PC is an art that begins with selecting the right core components, the CPU and motherboard. These parts set the foundation for your system's speed, multitasking ability, and future upgrades. Next, choose a graphics card that aligns with your gaming goals, whether you desire ultra settings, high frame rates, or VR readiness. Fast RAM and a solid-state drive are essential for smooth gameplay and lightning-quick load times. The power supply is critical. Always opt for a reliable unit with sufficient wattage and efficiency to support your components safely. Cooling solutions matter greatly. High-quality air or liquid coolers maintain stable temperatures during intense gaming sessions, preventing throttling and extending hardware life. The case ties everything together, providing airflow, cable management, and a platform to express your style with customizable RGB lighting. Assembling your PC demands patience, precision, and attention to detail, but the reward is immense. When you power it on, you'll experience the satisfaction of a machine built just for you, ready to dominate any game. This is the true art of custom gaming PC builds.